How do you remove a Blucon Night Rider from a Freestyle Libre or Libre Pro sensor? Hi, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. My interests in orthopedic surgery are joint replacements, joint biologic injections. I also talk about blood glucose measurements. I like to monitor my glucose levels with flash glucose monitoring and continuous glucose monitoring. I've been using the Freestyle Libre Pro sensor to monitor my blood glucose over the last 2 weeks. The Freestyle Libre Pro sensor is available in the market, but there is a dedicated and separate reader for it, which is called the Freestyle Libre Pro reader. It is not available as of now, and it is also available only to doctors. So I was using the Blucon Night Rider, which is an NFC to Bluetooth sensor, and the Glimp app to monitor my blood glucose levels on a continuous basis. The Freestyle Libre Pro sensor is not a continuous glucose monitoring device. Here it is. This is the Freestyle Libre Pro sensor. It looks very similar to the Freestyle Libre sensor. It is not a continuous glucose monitoring device, and you have to flash the reader over it. You need a reader like this. This is the reader for the Freestyle Libre, but there is a separate reader available for the Freestyle Libre Pro, and you need a reader like this to get the glucose measurements. Normally it is not sold to the public, and it is only provided to doctors for monitoring the glucose levels of their patients. Under these circumstances, one has to resort to the use of a third-party app like Glimp, which is an Android app. You can download the Glimp app to your smartphones and check your glucose levels by taking the phone over the sensor, and the Glimp app will give you a reading on the phone. I have talked about how to activate the Glimp app in a video over here. Check it out. The Blucon Night Rider is a NFC to Bluetooth device. It fits over the Freestyle Libre Pro sensor like that. You can fix the Blucon Night Rider over the Freestyle Libre Pro sensor by using this watch-like device. This contains the Blucon Night Rider snugly, and you strap it over your arm. Another way to stick this Blucon Night Rider to the Freestyle Libre Pro is to use glue drops. These are made by Fevicol, and they are tiny glue drops. Paste it on the undersurface of the Blucon Night Rider. Take the Blucon Night Rider over the Freestyle Libre Pro and apply firm pressure until the glue drop sticks to the Freestyle Libre or Libre Pro sensor. I have used this Blucon Night Rider for about 2 weeks, and today was the time to take it off. But while removing the Blucon Night Rider from the sensor, I encountered some problems. When I tried to get some knowledge on how to remove the Blucon Night Rider from the Freestyle Libre Pro sensor, there was no material available. I had to struggle to find a solution, and finally I managed to take it off. That's why I thought I will share my experience with others. This knowledge will definitely come in useful to those people who are beginning to use Blucon Night Riders over their Freestyle Libre Pro sensor. Flash glucose monitoring and continuous glucose monitoring is becoming more acceptable in India. People like to know their glucose levels in response to exercise and meals. I have recently uploaded a video on the effect of exercise on glucose readings. You can check it out here. Now, let's come to the trick. You see this glue drop? It is stuck firmly to this. So to remove it, you have to take out this sensor from your body. It's otherwise impossible to pull off the Blucon Night Rider from the sensor. So do it after the life of this Freestyle Libre Pro sensor has expired. Take it out calmly, and then when I will just reassemble it, and see the tight snug fit here. This is the joint. This is the joint. This is the joint. It will not come off. So you need to use the back end of a spoon. Try to insert the back end of the spoon at the junction between the Blucon, between the bottom of the Blucon and the side of the Freestyle Libre Pro, and exert pressure in an upward direction circumferentially all around this sensor, and slowly if you persevere, this Blucon Night Rider will come off the sensor. And you can see that the glue drop is still stuck to the bottom of the Blucon Night Rider. You can remove it by just peeling it off. It has come off there. There's a little bit stuck here. You can remove the balance with household solvents like acetone or vinegar, and I have managed to take off most of the glue from the undersurface of the Blucon Night Rider. This video will be definitely helpful to many people who are now beginning to use continuous glucose monitoring devices like the Blucon Night Rider, Meow, and other similar devices. They may struggle to find information how to separate this, because the Blucon Night Rider is a one-time purchase. You don't have to replace it every time, but every time when you change your sensor, you have to apply and then remove it at the end of the expiry of the sensor. So this knowledge will definitely be useful. If you know somebody who is diabetic or pre-diabetic and is using your Freestyle Libre or Libre Pro sensor, share this video with them. If you appreciate the content of this video, give it a thumbs up. To stay tuned and receive updates when I upload videos like this in future, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. I will see you in further videos. Bye.